right, good morning. All right, today we're going to talk about parallel lines. So you should have your notebook out, raring to go. All right, here we go. Parallel lines. Okay, there's a symbol for parallel lines, and it's two lines going that way. Kind of like slashes is the symbol. And that's what I'm going to use from now on so we don't have to write out parallel. All right, so parallel lines are two straight lines on a plane, not the kind you fly in the air, that do not intersect. Oops, off the paper. Sorry. There we go. All right. So parallel lines are indicated, meaning you can tell what they're talking about by arrowheads. I'm going to show you that. If the drawing has more than one set of parallel lines, the lines parallel to each other are indicated by the same number of arrowheads. And you're like, oh, Miss Hawkins, you just had me write this whole paragraph and I'm confused on it. Well, I'm going to draw you a plane. We're going to draw a picture and it'll be crystal clear. Okay, well, remember what I said. If you're not caught up with me, pause the video. Okay, so draw parallel lines this way. There's one set of parallel lines. These two lines will never cross each other because it'll cruise this way and it'll go that way, but they will never bang into each other. Now, we're going to intersect two other parallel lines going that one. So it's like a big hashtag, put at an angle if you want to do it that way. We are going to label all our lines because that's how we're rolling. So this is line A, B. This is line C, D. And just to get y'all not in alphabetical order, I'm going to do L, M, P, and Q. All right, so we have two pairs of parallel lines. So you're like, oh, whose friend is whose? So this is where the little arrowheads come into play. Arrowhead is a fancy word for a triangle. So let's look at this. Let's look at A and B. A and B, here's your line A and B. Who's the parallel line to A and B? C and D. So you're going to draw a little arrowhead, a triangle, literally on the line, and you're going to color it in. And we're only going to do one triangle on this line and one triangle on this line because these two are friends. This line is parallel to that line. This line cannot be parallel to that line because they intersect. So A and B are friends. So that is our first set of parallel lines. Now, do we have another set of parallel lines? Wait, I can't hear you. What'd you say? You are right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. LM and PQ are your other ones. So you're going to put arrowheads on these. They're just little triangles, and you color them in. Now, this cannot just have one set because this has one. So if this is your first pair and this is your second pair, how many triangles, arrowheads, should this have on it? 2. You are correct. And we're always put our arrowheads together, and we always have them going the same direction with each other, not opposite of each other. Okay, so now let's write what we know. We know that line AB is parallel to CD. Here's AB, and here's its friend. AB is parallel to CD. Now, write the other one for me. What other line is parallel? LM is parallel to who's its friend? PQ. There you go. Better be? Okay, so I'm going to meet you in our workbook. Workbook. I know this was quick, but we're going to do some together in class. I need you to turn to workbook, page 136, 137. That's what we're doing in class together. All right, I'll see you on the next video.